you're looking to get that line from that crew cut barber shop look, I'm gonna show you how. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Volt Life Proof Grooming. My name is Scott Barnes, and in this video, I wanna show you a really cool way how to get that awesome crew cut barber cut line that you always get getting your hair cut. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you guys are getting the greatest and latest videos from Volt. Now here at Volt, we try to show you guys how to do all the maintenance, the beard care, the hair care. And in this particular one, I thought this would be a fun way to show you how to get to the next level in your hair and beard cut. So we're gonna jump straight into this video. Now, just remember, if you can't get your hair cut on your own, go get it done professionally. But I really strive, if you are going to get something that you like and you want in your vision, do it yourself. And yes, you might make a mistake or two, but that's how we grow in life. So to get this video started, we're gonna need two things. We're gonna need some clippers and a business card. Essentially, you want something with a straight edge. That can be a piece of paper or a piece of cardboard, but I think the thicker the stock, the better. Second thing you're gonna need is a pair of clippers, and it doesn't matter if it's a hair clipper or if it's a beard clipper, just make sure your guard is all the way up to the top of the blade. Now to start getting into the cut, you're gonna look where the line is for your hairline. Now, if you wanna make it up in your hairline, go ahead and follow that line right there. That usually is your cowlick. But for me, I wanna do something a little cooler. I have a line that matches right up with my eyebrow. So essentially, we're gonna take the card, we're gonna put it right to the line that I want. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my clipper on, and we're just gonna follow the line. Now, once you've got your base of the line that I have already created, now bear with me, my hair is blonde, so you're not gonna get the biggest effect, which is a good plus, but also a con for me. We're gonna come in close, we're gonna find that line, and we're just gonna go ahead and freehand it just a little bit. Now, depending on how many lines you want to do, you're just going to go ahead and repeat the process. You're going to find it, use your card, go up maybe about a ½ inch, and do the same as well. Now, if you want to get really crazy and you want to do the eyebrow, same situation. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to line that up with the brow, and we're just going to go ahead and cut that. But I think I'll save that for another day. Now, if you want to get a little crazy and you want to start doing lines, that's where I would actually recommend using a hair dye or using something of a marker or a pen. That way you can follow that line, go ahead and wash it out, and then you have the end result. That's a little subtle, but I have blonde hair, so I get a little bit of a way of a mistake. So we're gonna use all the 3 S's of short, smooth, and small, and we're gonna make all of those minor adjustments, all right? So we're gonna go slow, we're gonna go smooth, and we're gonna go small. That way you get a nice clean and straight result. So if you guys are looking for any more tips and tricks when it comes to hair care, beard care, body care, come back to Volt's channel. We got some good stuff for you always coming along. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video.